One of the most common questions we get here at OG is where can you use drying aid and where shouldn't you use drying aid? It's a pretty simple question that has a pretty simple answer, but it's still worth answering. The simple answer is that you can use it anywhere on your exterior or while you're washing, though there are some areas that we would recommend you use it on and some that we would say probably want to stay away from. Any paintworks, plastics, rubbers, or trims you're going to find on the body, it's totally safe to use it on. That includes windshields, engine cowls, that little plastic piece, bottom trim pieces, fender wells, things like that. Though the areas I would say you probably want to stay away from are your brake calipers, your brake rotors, and the tires, of course. Additionally, I think this goes without saying, but you probably don't want to use drying aid anywhere on your interior. You really don't want to be breathing this stuff in or touching it constantly. And additionally, you'll probably find that it streaks or leaves some things on the interior, so just stay out of there with that. You can get drying aid, the Press-All bottles, and the towels in our store at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments or email support@obsessedgarage.com.